hello, Dad. Say, how do you like my new haircut? Stand up. Stand up real pretty. Here, hold your head down a little bit. Now turn around slow.
Turn around like a
slow
model.
So they can see the
Model
back
your
of
new
hair.
do.
Oh, yes. Just keep going.
Very
There
nice.
you go. Turn around. Say, how do you like it, Mom? How do you like it, Dad?
Say hi to Mommy and Daddy and Ethan.
She's busy modeling still.
She's a Barbie.
Hi. Say hi. Yeah, you got to do that model wave. It's like this instead of this. Okay, I think you modeled enough. Don't you? Yeah, I love my hair.
You're beautiful.
Say hi. Bye. Looks cute.
Oh, let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Wait, Caleb.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Wait a minute,
Can
Mommy,
I
gotta
please?
fix